Hello and welcome to this video, in which you will learn how to use the extra fields for MailChimp Newsletter Discount add-on, for the WooCommerce MailChimp Newsletter Discount Pro plugin, to create extra fields on pop-up and forms, and sync the information to your MailChimp audience list. Check that you have already purchased and installed the extra fields from our store. You've also already installed, activated the WooCommerce MailChimp Newsletter Discount Extended plugin. Then, navigate to the WooCommerce MailChimp Newsletter Discount Extended plugin settings page. But first, please take a few moments to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to ensure that you never miss any future videos. We are now in the WooCommerce MailChimp Newsletter Discount Extended plugin settings page. Confirm that you have already configured the plugin's general, MailChimp, and pop-up settings. Then, click the Extra Fields tab to access the Extra Fields settings page. Then, click Add New Field and select the extra field type you want to add to the pop-up and form. With extra fields, you can add a plethora of new fields. This is just a sample pop-up with no additional fields. These are the field types that can be used to create a new field and display it alongside the existing pop-ups and forms. Let's start by making a radio field. Simply press the Set Field button on the right. Then type in the field name that will appear as the field label. Enter the radio button options here. Because we are creating for gender, we are adding male and female options. If you want to make this field mandatory, check this box. Enter the message text here. If this field is not selected in the pop-up or form, it will be displayed. Check this box to enable the merge tag for this field. If this is not checked, the information in this field will not be synced to MailChimp. When you're finished making changes to this field, click the Add This Field button. Save changes. Now let's test the pop-up. As you can see, the gender field with radio buttons has now been successfully added to the pop-up. You can still make changes to the previously created field. To expand the settings, simply click on the arrow on the side and make the changes you want to make. In this case, we'll add another option to the radio buttons. After you've finished, click the Save Changes button. Reload the page, and you'll see that the newly added option is now visible. Let's see if the extra field information has been synced to MailChimp. To check, we'll look at the most recently subscribed email. Click on it, and as you can see, the gender information is perfectly synced. You can add more fields in the same way. Simply go through the process again. Choose a field type. Enter the field name here. Enter the validation text. Enter the placeholder text. Choose whether or not to make the field mandatory. And make sure to check the Enable Merge tag for this field box. Save changes. You can reposition the created fields by dragging and dropping them. Save changes. And, as you can see, the extra fields you created are visible in the pop-up. After filling out the pop-up, let's see if the information was successfully synced to MailChimp. As you can see, the gender and phone number data were successfully synced to MailChimp. Similarly, the Extra Fields add-on allows you to create as many fields as you want. Simply follow the steps and you'll be perfect. Please keep in mind that MailChimp does not accept birthdays in full dd/m/ye format. It only supports the mm/dd format. So, keep that in mind when creating the birthday field. If a mandatory field is not filled out by the user, the validation message you entered will be displayed. If you found this video helpful, please like it, leave a comment with any questions or comments you have, and subscribe to the Zetamatic channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.